I present to you DB Orlando Collision West. All right, guys, we got 2 bays for estimating when it's raining. We'll have a team member here in the middle of them. On this side, we've got our pre-measure, alignment, and 2 bays for triage. All of the teardown and estimatics repair planning will happen on this side of the building. Then we continue over to a formal reassembly department, parts department where the parts manager will be, as well as all of our parts storage. So all of these departments, as promised in the beginning, working together in unison to create the most accurate repair plans as we possibly can. All right, let's check out our paint production side. On this side of the building, we're going to start with our aluminum and/or structural repairs. There'll be 3 frame machines on this side of the building, all of which will be transparent to you when you come into the front office. As you come into the office, we've got glass walls in there to be able to share and get as intimate as we can with the technicians and exactly what they're doing to these vehicles. Over on this side is going to be our body department, where our body technicians will be doing our final checks, finishing off the final body work, and preparing the cars to be entered onto the dolly system. So after body, they will transition over to our final prep, enter into our pre-prime final quality control before priming, step into the fly dry to be able to get the final stage of curing our fillers and/or primer applications on the vehicles. The technicians will be using HEPA filter vacuum DAs to be able to pull all of the contaminants out of the air and maintain the environment. And then naturally the vehicle will transition into the paint booth, never leaving the dollies, and never our technicians having to drive the vehicles physically. Once the paint is cured and baked, we will transition it back over to the other side of the building so that the reassembly team can get it back together.